Tomorrow, a Fort Worth police officer will be back on the stand talking about the night he shot and killed a man holding a barbecue fork. The trial is just the latest event shining a light on a department already facing racially charged controversies. News 8's Todd Unger walks us through it.
I was trained to be a combat engineer.
It's a rarity in almost any case, but it's unheard of in Fort Worth.
I was yelling for him to drop the knife.
Officer Courtney Johnson took the stand in his own defense Monday, facing charges for shooting Gregory Adams almost 2 years ago.
Somebody called 911 on this person, knocking on the door at 3:30 in the morning, telling us he has a knife. It is my job at that moment to get that situation contained.
Johnson recounted that night for a packed courtroom. Adams' family and friends say when he was shot holding only a barbecue knife, it was the result of poor decisions, not by accident, as Johnson contends.
Reckless. Accidents don't happen. People cause them.
The dramatic testimony occurred only hours after another Fort Worth cop was in the spotlight.
I agreed to take a polygraph to prove my innocence. Neither offer was accepted.
Vance Keys is one of 2 African-American Fort Worth cops that were recently demoted because of what the chief said was their role in the leaked body camera footage of the controversial arrest of Jacqueline Craig. Craig stood near Keys on Monday, and she also was in court for the Johnson testimony. Because as she and other community folks see it, both cases are indicative of a larger problem with race and Fort Worth police.
It's a pattern incident. It's a pattern behavior that the city of Fort Worth and its officers continue to produce.
There are now some calls for Chief Fitzgerald to actually be fired, although it isn't clear at all what type of support that would have within the city administration itself. As for Johnson, he's back on the stand tomorrow morning, but this time facing prosecutors under cross-examination. In Fort Worth tonight, I'm Todd Unger, Channel 8 News.